Today at the Water's Edge is the launch of Cilacar, a drug for blood pressure introduced for the first time in Sri Lanka by George Stewart Health and Unique Pharmaceuticals. Stay tuned as we hope to obtain more information about this drug, its users, from the manufacturers as well as the doctors present here today. So come in with us. I'm Shalindri and you are with Pulse. Dr. Karunik, a cardiologist all the way from India. How are you doing? Nice to meet you.
I'm great, thank you, and thanks for the hospitality.
So if you can tell us a little bit about the users of this product.
This new molecule is what is called as a fourth generation calcium channel blocker, which is used for blood pressure treatment, and it is very unique in the sense it protects heart, it protects kidney, it protects brain, and then it has got many other putative benefits over and above the blood pressure control. So in fact it was introduced in India almost 9 years ago, and it has become #1 molecule when it comes to the calcium channel blocker treatment of blood pressure.
Okay, so you said it was introduced to India 9 years ago, right? So how has it fared so far?
It's doing very well. In fact, I think the kidney specialists, the nephrologists, still consider that this is the best antihypertensive after ARB or after ACE inhibitor, or maybe the combination of ARB with this fourth generation calcium channel blocker. And then even the cardiologists, when we deal with this, then we also have so many putative benefits of this molecule. So we have also picked it up, and then whenever it comes to the resistant hypertension, refractory hypertension, high degree of blood pressure, or those people who have high sympathetic activity, means high heart rate and young hypertensives, it's doing very good, and it's really #1 molecule in many patient subsets.
Here with us is Mr. Iran Ranasinghe, the Executive Director of George Stewart. Very nice to meet you tonight.
Thank you very much, Pulse, for being with us today. It's a very momentous day for us, very important.
Thank you so much. Yes, indeed.
Yeah, thank you very much for being with us today.
So if you could tell us a little bit about George Stewart.
Yes.
George Stewart Health in particular.
Yes. Well, we all know that George Stewart Health is the star vertical of George Stewart and Company, which was established in 1835. We started our operations way back in 1989, and since its inception, George Stewart's have been growing steadily. If you see the IMS statistics today, George Stewart Health is the fastest growing pharmaceutical entity, which is growing at the rate of 28%.
So as you mentioned in your speech, could you also highlight a little bit about your recent launches?
Yes. As a part of our growth strategy, we launched many new products during the last year, and one being today, and in the recent past we launched extremity CT scanner and few other products, and we will be launching few more other products in the coming months, especially dapapoidine, which is going to be a blockbuster molecule again, for the very first time in Sri Lanka.
What are your thoughts about this product, Cilacar?
Yeah, Cilacar will be a boon for the hypertensives with cardiovascular disease, as well as it will offer renal protection. So this is going to be a blockbuster molecule, and I hope it will really hit really great heights.
Here with us is Mr. P.K. Singh, the President of Global Business at Unique Pharmaceuticals. Very nice to meet you.
My pleasure. Thank you.
So if you could tell us a bit about Unique Pharmaceuticals.
Well, Unique Pharmaceutical is the international arm of JB Chemical, a public listed company out of India. We market our products globally, 35 countries worldwide. And Sri Lanka is a very important market for us. We have built some very big brands along with George Stewart's in Sri Lanka. Nicardia being one of the top products, #1 on the IMS. And now today, Cilnidipine, the 4th generation calcium channel blocker. And we believe it has the potential to be #1 for a long time. And it would definitely be a revolution in the treatment of hypertension in the Sri Lankan market.
Tell us a bit about your relationship with George Stewart Health. How has it been over the years?
Oh, well, it's been like they are the face of Unique in Sri Lanka. George Stewart, the culture, the working style, and the passion with which they work gels very well with our culture. And we have been together for over 2 decades, building brands into the Sri Lankan market. And it's been a great association now with George Stewart's company, with Dilip Jayavira at the helm of the affairs. We are really enjoying working with them because the new management, Dilip Jayavira, really brought in a lot of vibration into the organization, and we have been growing much faster than we did in the first decade.
So what do you think about Silica, the launch of Silica?
Well,
Silaca, I'm sorry.
Silacar is a 4th generation calcium channel blocker, because most of the calcium channel blocker in hypertension control was only related to blood pressure. But this is a molecule that gives you 2. It gives you a renal protection alongside hypertension. So it protects you both ways. And this is something very unique for a molecule to do both. And today you must have seen in the presentation how the nephrologists and cardiologists together talking about an antihypertensive product. This is the first time you see 2 specialists working together on an antihypertensive product.